All right, it's Thursday, June 20th. Just highlighting a trade I made on NVDA. I bought the 140 puts at 5. I scaled out at 710 here to kind of set up a no-risk trade, and I'm going to see if it makes another push lower. What happened here is you obviously had the down opening after the gap up, one push, two pushes down. Once it kind of hit the midway point of that prior day, if you look at this kind of green day from yesterday, we gapped up, then it was likely going to have an outside day to the downside. And we'll see if that's just it for the day or if maybe this starts a potential reversal shooter bar by the end of the week that could pull back a little bit more. It's just overextended. It's still a stock people looking to buy, so you don't know for sure. But as it was coming down strong, it looked to me like it was going to be an outside day, just given the fact that it came back through the midpoint of the prior day. So quickly was able to buy some puts, scale out. I'm going to watch this and see if it kind of holds in here, maybe back up to the close of yesterday, the yellow line. It makes another push lower on the day. If we can get this closing red, then maybe we're not, a lot of times those outside buys are higher highs, lower lows, and then, working back up to higher highs. I see this one coming towards the end of the week more as maybe a failure. If we can close red, then we could get another follow through, and see, and we have a pivot machine gun here on a few days, so this could be kind of broadening out on kind of a higher time frame after the 3-bar down, maybe a 3-bar. If we can get a 2 down next week, that's a pretty long way to go below 1200 on this stock, but you never know. It's certainly kind of exhausting up here, it looks like at the moment, but it's all going to depend on how this day ends. Was it just a simple higher high, lower low, and then we close somewhere in the middle, or is this going to hold in here and make another push down and then maybe lead to higher time frame, broadening action as well to the downside? So it's kind of at no risk right now the way I see it. I just want to kind of see what happens in here, if we can make another push down on the day, and then we'll kind of go from there. So just thought I'd highlight, the market was negative all morning long except for maybe one stock or two that I was following. So once it broke down again, it was high probability it was going to take out yesterday's low. You can still see some pivots down here it could take out. So we're going to see if it makes another push lower here on the day and where this day closes.